being a father is one of the best presents to have on earth. A lot of people can't be dads, and I'm proud to be a father of my 3 lovely boys. They really look up to me and my brother, and I kind of had my dad, which we always kind of followed in his footsteps. My dad was a really hard worker and kind of a legend himself, and so I'm glad to pass that on to my 3 boys. I love going out and doing things with my boys, whether it's riding go-kart or side-by-side or dirt bikes, or even taking them on shows with us. A lot of times they could follow in cars that are going behind us. It's always a good time. Can't wait until they're old enough we can start building them bikes and we can all go out together. They already all show an interest and got tons of bikes as it is, whether it's toys or motorcycles or